AMSU Women Wing raises voice against increasing rape and other crimes on women in the state, tries to storm Raj Bhavan and CM Bangalore. MPCC equates BJP-led governance with an undeclared emergency, says the BJP government is discriminatory and undemocratic. And the 12th Mummy Nummy 2018 and 6th Nongin Music Video Award 2018 kicks off at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjan, bringing you top stories. Volunteers of Women Wing of all Manipur Students' Union states are set in today against the increasing rate of rape and other crimes against women in the state. The sit-in was held at Keshampat Laimajam and it was participated by more than 200 students displaying placards that read, "Life in prison rapists, we want anti-rapist law, down rapists, etc." Later, a large number of girl students rallied towards Governor's bungalow and CM's bungalow, surpassing Manipur police personnel at Keshampat Junction. However, but student protesters were halted by heavy police personnel, including women personnel, as the protesters reached near Governor's Gate. As the students were waiting to send in their representatives to submit a memorandum to the governor, another group of students tried to throng the CM's bungalow. Later, top officials of police led few student representatives to submit a memorandum including their demands to the governor and to the chief minister. The students' demands included to instate fast-track courts in every district of the state for speedy justice and to combat menace of rape cases in the state, and further stated that there are 14 pending rape and sexual assault cases that occurred from January 2nd till April 4th of the current year awaiting justice. Member of AMSU Women's Wing, Dinah Yungkam, drew attention of the government to implement anti-rape law or policy.
Government specific law hang as President Patong the beginning as Haida do hang a Matunga Kasi rape case Kama, Tolai, Dandi Pibayawi, Peter Bayawi, Peter and Anaman, to me election given Anaman, Canada Mangze, rape victim or this in Mangze, rapisca to me like a Moide, in Hagzel, and Minghak and Torame Tokare, Canada Mangze, Piece of the Mangze. When Tolaga to put down to Haniativa, I do not repising the Manipuragi, Marupuna Mutaba, Marupuna Mutati, a holy rape there, no even I rising it. I don't know, government action look at the Linda. Haidi ang han girip tor menu pase rakese mas government na sibe kita nire traga positive jail samri ba khoi game tumne lai raisani.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has equated the BJP-led governance in the country with an undeclared emergency, allegedly for being discriminatory. Former Deputy Chief Minister and MLA of Nongba constituency, Gai Khangam, blamed the BJP government as undemocratic and termed its rule as unfortunate. Gai Khangam made the statements during a sit-in organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC near the gate of Congress Bhavan, BT Road, as a part of the one-day hunger strike initiated by Indian National Congress nationwide against the alleged atrocities by the BJP-led centre government against the Dalits. He termed it unfortunate at the dictatorship of the BJP government, which has sidelined the beautiful democratic constitution of the country by preventing any outside opinions on their governance. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam termed the BJP government as a dictatorship for taking away the rights for freedom of speech and expression from its citizens.
Government asigit thawdok asima matau sidi democracy hatokpa aduga minority majority khaidaba the murderer of democracy haijabatai leiriba aswan ba jati suma singkhatona leiriba jat pat khaidaba dharma khenaba leitaba dugumba constitution da aduki matik phajana enshrine to le pot ase masi ponamak namhalakanda freedom of speech freedom of expression asibo masi yade hayana masi ponamak ase paliba sarkar sigi mayok to wangang yade chumlabasu lalabasu wam to ngang yade matagum to tharak pase masi akoy ponamak ki alabak thi bani.
Taking part in the sit-in, MPCC President T.N. Haukip charged the BJP government as a government that is unable to put words into actions. He added, people can now see the true colors of the NDA government at the center. He said, it is doubtful that the BJP government can make a comeback in the upcoming 2019 elections.
Mayam na ure, madi machinda ama hairaga, mahui kambu sidi tabak tungana oin toba. Asumay na chahi mga gi sarkar si chahi marida mahui ningkai kharabagum taurabani. Yeng si 2019 election da karila pano. The people of India na di yaga do budi mande adubo ekoi zati short thana leba mi singdu he na luna tobiba mahui economy aduga mahui welfare asi ekoi Congress party gidi ekoi motoni.
Congress Committee Imphal West 1 District has also organized a sit-in as a part of the MPCC's hunger strike movement at Tera Laukam Leira Community Hall today. Taking part in the protest, MLA of Patso Assembly Constituency, A.K. Mirabai, lamented at the Lake of Centre's intervention despite nationwide protests against atrocities meted out to Dalits and OBCs since April 2nd.
Sotharaba Dalit Singi Hak Amasung Makoi right Adhikar do PBU Makoibu Manaba Kunaida Pukalangnaba Manaba Takta Pukalangnaba Honabada Aikoi Kuding Makoi Dalit Singi Sotharaba Kunai Sigi Praja section Kuding Maki Aikoi support Tauri.
Andhra, Khetrigao, Thongju and Kairao Kendra Block Congress Committee also organized a sit-in today against the BJP government allegedly for their discriminatory attitude towards minority community at Kongba Khetri Laikai Community Hall. Taking part in the sit-in, former MLA of Khetrigao constituency and PCC member Amin Shah has termed the BJP government as undemocratic. He said, with the coming of BJP in power, many instances related to operations of Dalits and minority rights took place. He maintained that the Congress party respects all religions and charged the BJP government as anti-secular. Executive members, youth and Mahila leaders of Andhra, Khetrigao, Thongju and Kairao constituency Congress block committee took part at the sit-in.
Manipur context so akoi paliba BJP sarkar sina karamba sector da karamba jaga da karamba field da akoi ga yamna nusi chana na chamina bagi chindadi yam bhajaba chinga tamga nusinare haiba adubu chinga tanga nusinare wari sidi ngarang na dum khoi khanga boni kayam nusinage habeto isagi lamda yum sapabu da akoi gi loni haidana akoi customary loni haidana yum sapa yaro akoi gi lekai khun gi permission yaro ni sapa yaro haidana tawriba mayam sibu karamba mawongi Sasun na bisiko kanbada ang mamuri aduna masi miyam press ki media da which raw chingda ko expose ogdari Manipur context so
Bishnupur District Congress Committee, Youth Congress and Mahila Congress Committee organized a sit-in hunger strike as a part of the nationwide movement on the theme We Are One, We Stand for Weaker section against the BJP government at Nambol Sabalaikai Community Hall in Bishnupur District today. Speaking to media persons, MLA of Bishnupur constituency Govindas Kontaucham asserted that the sit-in was held in reprimand against the BJP-led government under Narendra Modi for its discriminatory attitude towards the poor and the underprivileged in the country. He maintained, though there are no Dalits in Manipur, the BJP-led state government fails to provide equal rights to weaker sections in the state, guarantee in the Indian constitution, and further accused the state government for aggravating the living conditions of the weaker sections in the state. MLA of Nambol Assembly Constituency and Lokin, former MLA of Oinam Constituency Dr. Aibo Halbi, former MLA of Moirang Constituency M. Prithviraj and other eminent members of the Congress party took part in the sit-in.
National Democratic Alliance ki si Narendra Modi na luching sarkar si ek lakh madagi weaker section sing sigi yamna awaba makoi gi plight makoi bu lakna biriba makoi gi damakta karing on da khandaba se yaning de hedana Congress party akoi mayamna masi protest tawjabani Manipur da adugumba Dalit sing leitraga su ekoi संविधान da yauriba equality se masi na satte na संविधान bu lakti tongan hiram kaya da sambidan da piriba magi kanun sing adu ngak da kaya marum lei madu sing du natana tongana akoi gi sambidan da yaujariba equality sida makoi sing su mirai bire haibagi akoi dharna si tawjabani.
Kaching District Congress Committee has supported All India Congress Committee AICC's one-day nationwide hunger strike on the theme Save Democracy, Stop Killing of Innocent Protesters at Hyanglam Lai Bangal Bakaithal in Kaching District today. MLA of Sukun Assembly Constituency K. Ranjit, MLA of Wabagai, Muhammad Fazur Rahim, leaders of the District Committee and Congress worker of Kaching, Wabagai, Hyanglam and Sugnu constituencies took part in the meet. Placards that read, Stop Killing of Innocent Protesters, Save Democracy, Maintain Communal Harmony, Constitution Protests, We Are All Indians, We Stand for Weaker Sections, INC stands for Protection of All Indians, etc. We are demonstrated as a part of the protest meet.
Haukiba Mikhaniki Mamanga Upida, Bharat Ki, Swatana Lejaba, Dalit, Wakama Panbu, Tamtina, Hakiba Dogi, Aikoina Minuksi Upa, Adugum Bakapuchu title of Toina, Haibagi Patanda, Masiga Singova, Darnasi, All India Congress Committee Instruction Makada, Aikoigisu, District Sigi, Aiba, Koigi, Honorable PCC members of the Honorable MLA Singatanaraga, Masigi, Sigmova, Nomugova, Atem Darnasi, quite Pantoksa.
Chief Minister Nongthong Biren asserted that Go to Villages mission, which is similar to the earlier Go to Hills, will be launched soon with an objective to empower women and children in the state and to promote various schemes undertaken by the state government. Chief Minister Biren made a statement at the launch of a capacity building program under National Commission for Women organized by State Institute of Rural Development, SIRD, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department for Women representatives of Panchayati Raj institutions in the state at Hotel Imphal, Chingmai Rong today. Biren said more than half of the women representatives from the Panchayat Raj institutions will be involved in the Go to Villages mission. He asserted that Manipur, despite being a small state, has always given emphasis for empowerment and emancipation of women folk since time immemorial. Chief Minister Biren said women of the state are forging ahead in the education sector. Similarly, there are 67 women members of Zilla Parishad and 600 women ward members participating in various welfare schemes in the state. A total of 880 women Zilla Parishad members, pradhans and ward members will be given capacity building trainings by National Institute of Rural Development in Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad and State Institute of Rural Development during the training program, which will continue till April 13. RD and PR Minister Thongam Biswajit, Chairperson of National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, Deputy Director General of National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad, Radhika Rastogi, top officials of RD and PR officials of Manipur State Commission for Women, Zilla Parishads and Pradhans attended the event.
I have been informed that the training modalities require initial trainings of 22 master trainers, who in turn will train a group of women elected representatives with a group aggregate not exceeding 30 members in each cases. This, I feel, will definitely help build sustainable capacities locally for the welfare of women in the state. Many schemes are there, but we are not properly delivering to the needy people. That was the main cause why our government decided to launch this kind of mission.
Following the tradition to every year, Manipur High Court has permitted to offer floral tributes at the shrine of revolutionary martyrs at Cheng on April 13 since 1982. Families of the 9 cadres of prescribed group Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) who lost their lives at a shootout on April of the same year have been offering floral tributes in memory of the departed souls at Cheng. Following a writ petition submitted by the family members, Acting Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court has granted a final order to permit the same on the 5th of April. In order to prevent any untoward incident on this day, the memorial service will be observed under tight security from 6 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, brother of late N. Rajan N. Ibohanbi and sister of late Kundrapam Chaubhal, Kate Medha informed all individuals who were acquainted with the deceased members to attend the memorial service. The family members further appealed to all students and civil organizations not to call any band or blockade on this particular day.
aduna honorable high court na asugumba sahi gi kumon hekal kat tambagi aya bibire aduna lakhideba sing adugi rimal mapang amadi nusiba singna asugumba hekal kat tamba sita sok yabi
mari mata adegi mamanaba khoina khanghodraba layodraba mayam gi friend moi singdugi khoina baton amaka sei khabar da so hapsai adu mayamna baton do yowi yogde khanbidana pulap amata oina 13 April ayuk pung taruk tagi na pung mari bo hekal lekat tamgadaba sida sarkar na so ayaba pibirabani na akitu jung laitana khoi pulap laikat mina se.
Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, in a press release, condemned the recent incident of country liquors being seized from their office, which appeared on local media on April 6. The press release said a meeting was held in this regard and resolved to take actions against those involved in keeping the liquor in the office. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests by students against appointment of a non-Manipuri at NG College today. Keep watching Impact News. Students of Kanglei Park Students Association, KSA Imphal West District Council and KSA NG College unit protested against appointment of a non-Manipuri as a principal of NG College in Lamphilpot. The students locked principal's office and later staged a sit-in on the college campus against the MPSC's decision in recruitment of a non-local for the post. Students displayed various placards condemning the appointment order. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of KSA Imphal West District Council, Potsangbam Ranjan, warned of various agitations in collaboration with the students if the government and the relevant authorities fail to take appropriate actions.
NG College ki oina mitop amabu principal and how was KSA Imphal West District Council amadi KSA NG College na yabang amloy MPSC gi criteria gi matung ina candidate khudimak masagi permanent residence oigadaba aduga mahaki apok pisu mafam asida state sida permanent resident oina legadaba aina piri haiba Dr. Gopachandra Basi hoji Pongnaba jada leiba bara amda mahagi lei mahaki family leiba katani mahagi apok pi mafam sida leiba nate haiba MPSC gi criteria suda mesibu adogamna principal oina thabira glibano principal asigi mathakta khoi KSA Imphal West District Council am the KSNG na boycott of
Manipur Students Federation has caught a non-Manipuri who changed his identity after marrying 2 Manipuri women. The non-Manipuri is identified as one Luwanthem Gyanendro Das from Oripok. Addressing media persons at MSF office, Vice President of MSF Ningthojam, Jogeshwar condemned amidst the ILP movement. Gyanendro has changed his identity by converting his clan name after marrying 2 Meitei women. Gyanendro married a second wife, all the while having 5 children with his first wife. Gyanendro, originally from Silja, changed his name from Mukul Das into Gyanendro Luwangthem, and the same was published stating no controversies from Luwangthem clan on a local daily in January 2016. Jogeshwar said Gyanendro has joined Transport Association and is involved in Imphal Silchar Winger passenger services, bringing in outsiders. Jogeshwar said MSF has put a halt on his 2 vehicle services until proper resolutions to the issue are brought. His vehicles bear registration number ASICC 4265 and ASICC 4107. MSF intended to file an FIR against Gyanendro for further investigations.
Ekoi MSF na hairiba Gyanendro Das hairiba nupa asisu ekoi volunteer singna thiba humgi thaucha thawda ekoi hairiba nupa asi phangakune maha asi Silchar dagi ni asengmadi chahi asi chaurakna chahi 35 musure aduga mahang oliba sagai asina Luwangthem hairiba sagai asidani hairiba Luwangthem hairiba sagai asida onbada ayaba piriba asi matau karamna piribano mari lainaba authority singna matau karamna piribano aduga loina ekoi gi sana kunungda leiriba ekoi gi mari lainaba loisingna masi ayaba pibida ayaba leibra haiba sisu mayam da amutang sengdokpinaba clarification amaka pibinaba khoi MSF na appeal tawjari.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU in a press release informed that AMSU Imphal West inspected Kaibung Primary School at Hairangoithong, Maibam Laikai as a part of AMSU's campaign for total education. The press release said during the inspection it was found students were deprived of essential school items such as school uniforms, bags, books and other stationery items, and appealed to the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. Manipur Film Development Society MSFDS and Film Forum Manipur jointly organized the 12th Mami Numit 2018 and 6th Nongyin Music Video Award 2018 at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Filmmaker Ningthaucha Lancha spoke on the topic Manipurda Mami Khanghogi Khongchat Amasung Khongloi. He asserted that our regional films would be able to carve a niche only when originally of our roots are maintained in these films. He said it is an absolute necessary to refer films in other languages to learn its technical and structural aspects, but continuous imitations will do not good. He said in order to sustain our artistic values in films, creativity is essential and appealed to the younger generation to focus on their works. Speaking as chief guest, film critic Megha Chandra Kongbam stated that professionalism can be attained only with passion for one's work. He called for the need for a film policy in the state. He opined that since Manipur film industry is under the Art and Culture Department, benefits of schemes sponsored by the Ministry of Broadcasting and Information are not easily availed. He also said conversion of MFDC into MSFDS has limited duties for film industry and opportunities are narrowed. Arang Bathawan Michak of 2018 award was conferred to film activist Tej Haridas and Best Film Journalist Award 2018 was conferred to O.C. Maira.
Centrana masak khangdra haibudune akoi ji film ji mapani film festival am tawje an hairachi akoina hana leriba film je hana mi gi chanaiba mong thingsinda hobi leihan si habasima ai mase thamjaningi aren culture na film pai bise masida moi karim ta ju khangdre adu moi kai chu thawai ji yaudre adu ga khangdra mina kai bis chalai ngamde khodamoina institute se hange go wajam ju thame mai prop se dum Stangna PP de hai adu ju ma chahi ma toromam soin phangani si phawna ma si am ta tawdri class ma hari ba mayam sing se akoi film tawriba kambu sing nam yam mun khantharaga ma se amutang akoi kamai tong na tawraga hen phaba mong na mayam changhin riba mong de akoi kamai tong changhin ba ya ga ta ke hai ba je akoi wakan khantharaga action yam na thuna akoi loni
Sajibu Inat Ngaikang Kumhai, the 10 days program organized with an aim to preserve age-old mighty customs and traditions of our forefathers, concluded today. An anthology entitled Hanjin Hanjinna was released and a poetry session was also held as a program. Imalayshim Inat Loisheng has been organizing Sajibu Inat Ngaikang Kumhai every year with an objective to sustain the indigenous pagan gods and to safeguard the age-old customs and traditions and for peaceful and harmonious Manipur. Traditional rituals, folk dance songs, dances and indigenous sports events marked the festival. The festival, observed for the 13th time this year, was launched on March 31st at Nongpok Chingu Thong, Thalo Sipi Lok, Laipam Lane near Imphal East, Navodaya. After celebrating the festival in various places for 9 days, the festival finally concluded at Nongpok Chingu Thong, Thalo Sipi Lok, Laipam Lane. As a part of the main event of the concluding ceremony of the festival, a man named Pantho, devoted by the inhabitants, released his book of poems entitled Hanjin Hanjina, an anthology based on the indigenous culture of the Meiteis. The book composed of altogether 100 poems and was released in both Meitei and Bengali script.
Sajibu Inat Ngaikang Kumhai si Leibaki Ningthau Laisem Basana Zaubana Panthau Ipagi Damakta Minglen ama katpirami singu laitai ngamba khoyum lailuk Ngaikang bahaiba Minglen asibu ningsing jaba laiweba Panthauga Iningthau Laisem Basana Zaubaga anigi lainariba Mari Sibu Mutanabagi Damak Sajibu Inat Ngaikang Kumhai haina pangthok sabani Isagi Inat Saktam Nupina Nupigi Pizol Akhoi se kamaina oibano haiba khoi Inat Saktam se Mangdanabagi Damak pangthok jaba siloni ai isamaksu phanek phido jingkhachari ko aduga loinana wangkhai chanang phi injari sigumba kaya se mangkhraba matam sida mangdanabagi damak aigi chanabi isagi iyong jaukhatpa isagi saktam kanjaba aduda pangthok jaba siloni.
MLA of Thanga Assembly Constituency T. Robindro has assured to provide proper rooftops which can withstand monsoons to people of Thanga constituency in Bishnupur district. Robindro gave the assurance of a GI sheets distribution ceremony to beneficiaries from below poverty line at Kordak, Nongmai Khong in the constituency today. 2,000 GI seats for rooftops were distributed to the beneficiaries under MLA of Local Area Development Fund. Robindro said there are another 2,500 GI seats in stock for people in Thanga constituency, which will be distributed soon before the onset of the monsoons. Kendra Development Committee, under the supervision of MLA of Wangjing Tentha, P. Brojan, held Wangjing Langathil Farmers Meet 2018 on the theme Aikoi Lobuk Maiki Pangnasi at Yumchau Manbi, Chingdum today. The program was organized with an aim to convert vast barren lands in the area into green cultivable lands and enhance the agricultural productivity of the farmers. More than 500 farmers from the constituency attended the program. Directorate of Trade, Commerce and Industries organized awareness program on zero defect, zero effect for entrepreneurs at DIC Porumpa today. The awareness program catered to entrepreneurs from Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Ziripam districts. President of All Manipur Entrepreneur Association, Amia S. Rishi Kumar, said the zero defect, zero effect is a scheme to ensure manufacture of commodities with less defect and world-class quality, as well as protection of environment surrounding the manufacturing unit by the entrepreneurs. Directorate of Trade, Commerce Industry IASM Louis Kam appealed to the state entrepreneurs to acquire zero defect, zero effect certificate and manufacture quality products.
Manufacturing na pot samatamda defect laitana magi pot du quality laina puthokanda international market ta entrepreneur na puthoi pot du competition ngamna bagi damukta changhanba semba du miski makhalamani aduga loina environment ta society da samaj da akai be pidaba mangan tuhan oirodaba sohandana samaj bu ingna chikna environment sida akai laitana thamna bagi damakta panam thamba adugumba zero effect haiba sigapuna zero defect amadi zero effect na jet na india da nona sanarapani.
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal, in association with 36th Battalion of CRPF, organized a one-day cleanliness drive, Swachhata Pakawara campaign on RIMS campus today. The cleanliness drive was supervised by Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, Commandant of CRPF Battalion Kalyan Singha, and Deputy Commandant Kishan Salam, staff of Manipur Security Services, MSS, RIMS, and Center for Research on Environmental Development, CRED, RIMS also took part in the drive. Born into a poor family and worked as labor, Muhammad Awaz Khan now has clinched Mr. India title in the bodybuilding event. We're able to tell on the remarkable life journey of Awaz Khan. Impact News brings you an exclusive report.
Muhammad Awaz Khan is the son of Muhammad Abdul Zalil and Bareda from Golapati, Manninglaikai in Imphal East district. He worked as salesman and even as a laborer to meet the requirements for his large family. Despite various challenges, he continued bodybuilding exercises with perseverance.
I bodybuilder is am pamje exam khabaje and picnic dejo adu boina paisa chang poni apna botadu soina guli chaw me jin nong madaji lisinga matam kai kuran bra kala moi nong moi tawti tawe moi nang amag aidi kari exam khabaje nong mage ju pata bya ja ga jo thau labor oraga kona ka lep jaraga ngai jaraga ai ju nong mage lisinga ta tam ya ja ga jo thau apna suja tan jaraga san loi baga dang de hal jaraga ayum yobaga iru ma jaga jim tala jim sana ba bung pan thara fo sana jaga ta malaga tai nang sa lai sim ta am nai wa ba do bai khalle ante nong ai mi or kan nong soi nai khalle ai ga si awa ba jiki soi ni mai pap ngor kan ta wo to bai mayam nai or da lai ra min sana ba je kasu kan mute pesa jang thang nai ai mo de khom de ai pun khalle nong oi de bya de thang khalle kan khon jiki ta so ra ga ya khon je.
Awaz Khan joined Unique Gymnasium under gym instructor K.H. Ningthem. He has participated in many bodybuilding competitions both at state and national level, bagging many titles. His biggest achievement for the year so far is the gold medal and best poser title in the 90 kg group at the Mr. India IBBFF 58 Senior Men's National Championship held at Pune. He looks forward to participate in the World Championship and bring laurel for the state and the nation. Mr. India Muhammad Awaz Khan appeals to the state government and authority concerned to extend financial supports in his preparations for the upcoming World Championship.
Ozan team hajina yamna faba ozani mad paisa pai daso nei no modi rum kya changam ge hangi onda oza mari ngame sanam ya sanale nang irmai chaba ngamagan da yam champan se irmai sargan sambi aro haide mi oini yani dai bozan ikres bi ngonda siam no maji ozan team do lai rosu paisa pai daso sana badum ya he to heni ko ni ko ki hotna ba ima baba na mating taw dos isamang pangan kal heraga thausu yam leri lebar oro dukal oro yobi ngamda bi yade oida bi yade haraga khalla ga surga de adu ngamo tane mahakna hotna ga de loi ngamo tane hotna dana phareng tur lai baso chidani sawaz lai tabu ai sengna sum mayam si sindaw mayam mete pang jinjei sengna ko ki apha morom dai pusajani.
On the other hand, Awaz Khan's mother, Bareda, expressed her happiness on her son's achievement. President of Muslim Council Manipur, Haji Arafat Ali, also lauded the achievements of Awaz Khan and called him one of the precious personalities of Manipur and drew the attention of the state government to support his endeavor.
Ngaibi amna powdere isana simda ka dora pasidi adubu aisu angamba mateng mangonda yung dagi laura kholaga ayambana magi mana sana basi pambani na aina su hotna jai
ngasi Awaz kumna mating leiba tinjang kaijang daba naha ohelinga lepak sigi Manipur gi damakta akhoi Manipur sigi soil sigi machani sida sigadobni sida chaurakpani leihau sida akhoi je yungpham oiraga akhoi gi michat purakpa haiba wafamda ngasidi leiriba khungang minority Muslim pangal ichini now punamakpu aina masi message oina pijening je nisa haiba poche tokpiro Awaz kumo biraga amaktandi gold medal natragasu silver or bronze or ama launaba any field category da honabiu.
Will the people and government of Manipur help Awaz Khan, who hails from a poor Muslim family, with his endeavor to bring pride and laurel for the state? Living with this question is Joyce Rusham for Bhakta Tarangbam with camera person P. Bobo for Impact News.
Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. AMSU Women Wing raises voice against increasing rape and other crimes on women in the state, tries to storm Raj Bhavan and CM Bangalore. MPCC equates BJP late governance with an undeclared emergency, says the BJP government is discriminatory and undemocratic. And the 12th Mummy Nume 2018 and 6th Nongin Music Video Awards 2018 kicks off at MSFDA's Auditorium Palace compound today.